G'day everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm here at a rest stop in Little River. Avalon Airport is 2 kilometres that way, in that direction, and that's the freeway out of Melbourne heading towards Geelong. Now Geelong's about 70 kilometres from Melbourne, and we're heading down to the coast, probably down to Queenscliff or Point Lonsdale, but we just stopped here to have a bit of a break, get a few drinks from the service station, and give Steve a bit of a walk around. Welcome back everyone. We're in Point Lonsdale, which is another 20-25 kilometres past Geelong. That's the Point Lonsdale Pier, and it's a pretty windy and overcast day. I did bring my drone, but the winds are 40 to 50 kilometers per hour, so it's just a bit too windy for flying. Okay, we've walked up the steps here from the car park. Obviously you can see my car there in the middle, and there's like a little sundial. It's actually like a compass with names of places and distances. This can was erected to commemorate the public service of Alex Laker. Couldn't read it because I was looking at the camera, but it tells you, for example, Rosebud is that way, 27 kilometers, so basically straight across there. That's the other side of the Port Phillip Bay, which is all through there. Melbourne's that way, Geelong's around that way, around the back. Okay, welcome back everybody. We're still in Point Lonsdale. Mum up ahead walking Steve. We're walking up to the hill here, and we can see the Point Lonsdale Lighthouse. There's a little sign now, I can see wind gusts 27 knots, southwesterly 27 knots. I'm not sure what that is in kilometres per hour. 27 knots. Because I wanted to throw up the drone, but it's just way too windy. So while we're here, check out the lighthouse here at Point Lonsdale. I'm taking my hat off. I'm going to lose the hat. Welcome to Point Lonsdale Pier. And there's the big lighthouse there, and it's actually raining at the moment, so Mum doesn't want to go down to the end of the pier, and it's really windy, so we'll just turn back. I thought I'll just come out and look, and I'm not sure if it's coming out in the camera, but it is drizzling at the moment. We'll head back to the car and we'll continue this video a bit further down. We're here at a park in Queenscliff. Queenscliff Pier is down that way. Just bear with me a minute because Steve's turning me around. We're going to have our lunch here, but the weather is actually very breezy, as I mentioned earlier. It's only about 22 degrees, but it's very windy. Now I checked my phone and it said 54 kilometre wind gusts up to, so just slightly too windy for the drone. So we're just exploring here Queenscliff. There's a little bit of a lookout here if Steve decides to come with me, but he wants to smell every single blade of grass along the way. So we'll just have a look at this little lookout here. There you go, there's a little pier here, and the pier in the distance is the Queenscliff Pier. We're still here in Queenscliff. We've just had our lunch. We're under a big huge tree. Check this out, it's about 30 metres wide from one end to the other. Maybe not 30, maybe 15 or 20. Fish and chippery over there, Queenscliff Harbour. So it says fish and chips. Mum was talking about having some fish and chips. And there's a big tower there, and looks like a place is called 360 degrees. Now whether that's a viewing platform, I'm not sure. But it looks like a bar in there, and it says 360 degrees. So I assume you can climb up to the top there and have a look around 360 degree view. Welcome to Queenscliff and Point Lonsdale. We're at Point Lonsdale earlier. Things to do, and there's the map of where we are. Okay, we're at Queenscliff Harbour, and this is the marina, all the yachts. Mum's with Steve over there. She's finally taken him because you can't walk and film with him at the same time because he just goes around in circles, and pointless filming me doing 360 degree turns. There you go, my yacht. Lifestyles of the rich and famous. Cool yachts here in the marina here at Queenscliff. Watch where I'm walking. How cool is that? Then we have the cafe here. It's called 360 degrees, obviously because it's got the tower. Pretty cool. We'll just go for a walk and explore the Queenscliff Marina.